How to fix Cash App isn't available in your region. So if you want to fix Cash App isn't available in your region, then the first thing is Cash App is only available in the US and the UK. So if you're not the citizen of US and UK, then you will not be able to use your Cash App. So it is not available in that region. So it is not available outside those two regions. So what you need to do is you can simply go with the login page, and you need to have a number, like if you have the US number or the UK number, like if you know someone from the US or UK, then you can simply ask them to give the number, and then you can verify with the help of those citizens. But if you don't have that option also, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your Play Store. Once you open up your Play Store, go with the profile, which is on the upper right, and then go with settings. Under settings, go with the general option. Under general, here you will have account and device preferences. Tap on that, and under your account and device preferences, you will have the country and profiles option. So you can simply go with the country and profiles, and under that you will be able to change your country. And once you've changed your country, like you need to add your credit or debit card, and once you've added it, will ask you to enter your country or region, and at that time you just need to simply change your country. And once you've changed your country to the US or UK, then you'll be able to fix that problem. So that's how you can fix Cash App isn't available on your region. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.